In this video, I want to talk about Gray virtual dollar cards. So if you've been looking for a virtual dollar card that you can use for online payments, like for Apple Music, for Shopify, for Amazon Shopping, AliExpress, and basically any online purchases that requires you to have a dollar card, platform is going to help you with that. And that's basically what Gray is all about. So I already have videos about Gray, but this is an update or an updated video about Gray.co. So first, you need to register on Gray, and again, I already have videos on that, but you can just basically come to Gray.co and create an account, or you can download the app. They have the app for iPhones and then the Android phones. So you can register. It is completely free. So once you are registered, you need to do some kind of verifications, and then you'll be in. So Gray, what they do is that they give you accounts. So you can have a United States bank account, a British pounds and euros, and Nigerian naira. You can add the Tanzanian shilling and the Kenyan shilling if you have a need for that. But you just want the virtual dollar card because you want to start making international payments. And if you come here, you can see that they have the virtual dollar card that you can use to shop, subscribe, and pay bills successfully or securely online. So this is where you would ordinarily find them. So you can click on virtual cards here, and then you can create your card. So the way Gray works is this: you send Naira to it, and then you can swap your Naira to the US dollars, and then you can equally fund your card with Naira, and then they'll give you an equivalent of the US dollars using the black market rate or their own rate. And once you have this card funded, you can then use it to make purchases. So this is the card, and they are showing you some of the places it works, like Netflix, Apple Music, ASOS, bookings, blah blah blah. So basically any website that takes dollars and takes prepaid cards is going to accept this card. So come here, it says faster international payment, gets accepted globally, works for your favorite store, and is heavily secure. So you just want to click on get started to create this card. So this is where you find the fees for this card, and Gray is going to charge you a one-time $4 card fee. So this payment is to issue you the card. All right, so after that you equally have $1 that will be credited to your card. So to create this card you need at least $5. So if you fund $5, they are going to take $4 and create a card for you. That means you have just $1 on the account. So if you are okay with that, you can click on I confirm, and then you can click on continue right here. And if you had money, it's just going to create a card, and then you can get the card details and you can use the card details. So personally, I don't have any need for this card because I have other cards that I use, and I've made videos about these cards on this channel. But Gray has a very fine reputation for working on plenty sites. So how do you fund this account so that you can create the card? So once you've registered on Gray, you are going to get a Nigerian account number. And if you come to your accounts here, you can find a Nigerian account. And this is where you send your Naira to. So you come to the NGN here, you can come to add money here. So once you click on add money, even if you don't click on add money, you can basically see the accounts here. So it's a Wema Bank account. You can copy the details, and then you send money. Your money is going to come to your available balance here. So, or you can basically click on add money. You can add money there through bank transfer, or this. I don't like this, so you can basically use this, and again it's going to generate the same account number for you, and then you can send the money right there. So once the money comes, you can basically fund any amounts you want. So once the money comes, you can come to convert fund here, and then you are basically swapping your Naira to the US dollars. And this simply means you are basically buying dollars from Gray.co. So currently I have just 500 Naira here, and I can say I want to convert for you to get the exact price or the accurate dollar conversion, because Gray has two ways they convert. and this one is about you buying from them and them not them buying from you, because you can equally sell your own dollar to Gray. So you come here, you are converting Naira to the US dollar. So you come here and select the US dollars. So to get the actual amount, you can come here and set type $1. So this is how much Gray is currently charging you to for per dollar. All right, so they are charging you 1,592.74 Naira to $1. So this is inclusive of the conversion fee, which is 15 Naira, and you can basically decide if this is okay for you. So after you've converted it, you will now have dollars that you can use to add to your card or to create your card. So this is basically how you create a Gray virtual dollar card. And once it has been created, if you come to your cards here, you find your card details, and these cards, they come with addresses that you can use in case you need to use them. Especially if you use PayPal or Apple, you might need to change your address, you might need to change your location. You can use this from Gray. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. My name is Goodnoel. Bye-bye.